Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook gaming no sound. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook gaming no sound, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list here, you will go to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. After that, in this page you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will go to click clear cache. After that you will go to click clear data, and when you will end this you can turn off your phone so that you can know how to fix Facebook gaming no sound. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.